Today I'm diving into the website and services of Gothaer Versicherung, one of the oldest and most recognized insurance providers in Germany. When you first land on the homepage, you're met with a clean and modern layout that reflects the company's long-standing presence and attempt to modernize. The navigation bar is simple and clearly separates the different insurance areas: health, life, car, legal, property, and liability. What stands out is their attempt to emphasize digital accessibility, with customer login portals and the digital insurance manager. Exploring the car insurance section, Gothaer offers basic information about the types of coverage and add-ons available. However, unlike more innovative competitors, they don't provide an instant comparison tool on the main page, which makes shopping around a bit more cumbersome. The quotation tool works, but it's slower than average, with a multi-step form that could benefit from modern UX improvements. For private health insurance, the site offers more in-depth details and calculators to assess premiums based on age and needs. This is one of the better sections of the site. They try to break down complex insurance terms with simple explanations, which is helpful for users who aren't familiar with the nuances of German insurance law. When checking out the liability insurance section, which is one of the more popular policies in Germany, the coverage seems solid, but Gothaer is not the cheapest on the market. It becomes clear that they're positioning themselves more as a stable and reputable choice than a budget-friendly one. The claim submission process is partially digital. You can report claims online, but you're often redirected to downloadable PDF forms, which need to be filled out and sometimes mailed in or emailed manually. This is where Gothaer falls short compared to fully digital-first insurers like GetSafe or Friday. Customer service is accessible, with a visible hotline and email contact, but live chat is missing, a drawback in today's landscape. The FAQ section is extensive but organized in a way that makes browsing somewhat inefficient. Many useful links you can find in the description. The Gothaer app deserves mention. It allows users to view policies and submit certain documents. However, app reviews are mixed, with many users reporting glitches and login problems. It's clear they're investing in digital transformation, but they haven't fully arrived there yet. As for pricing, Gothaer tends to be mid to high tier. They're not competing on low-cost plans, but rather on perceived security, reputation, and long-standing brand trust. If you're someone who prefers a more personal, traditional insurer and is willing to pay a bit more for that, Gothaer could be a good fit. However, if you're looking for speed, convenience, and full online management, you might be frustrated by the outdated processes still in place. Transparency is generally good, terms and conditions are downloadable, and coverage is clearly spelled out. But some sections could benefit from more straightforward comparisons and examples. To sum up, Gothaer Versicherung is a solid, established company that's trying to modernize, but it hasn't fully adapted to the digital-first expectations of 2025. It might work well for users who value tradition, reputation, and personal service, but it won't satisfy tech-savvy users looking for full app-based management or instant claims processing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more honest reviews of insurance providers and financial tools in Germany.